So guys, let's make some coleslaw. Very simple, easy and tasty. Before we go on, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. It is free. Click on the bell icon, like and share this video and leave a comment. So I'm going to make use of carrots, cabbage, onions. I just sprinkle some salt on it, and then I'm going to start slicing and chopping them. Please click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, subscription is free. Okay, and leave a comment, share this video also for me. So slice and chop your vegetables based on the size that you want. But you know, coleslaw mostly we don't slice them big. Do you get it? And coleslaw mostly is our carrot and cabbage. Do you get it? And some onions. Okay, and so after, I'm going to also slice my onions also, and then add them all into my salad spinner. Add salt to it, add water to it, and I'm going to wash it very well. Spin and wash it very well. Okay, so we are going to pour the water, and then this time around we are going to spin and dry it very well. We need it dry so that our salad will come out nice. Okay, so I did it about 2 or 3 times to dry it. Okay, so I have my salad cream here, and I'm going to add black pepper to it. It's optional. I'm going to add white pepper, which is also optional. I'm going to add sugar, which is also optional, and nandari milk powder. But these things makes the salad awesome. Do you get it? I'm adding a tablespoon of lemon juice to it, and I'm going to mix everything together very well. Please like and share this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you have not yet done so. So this is it. So I have my bowl there. I'm going to start pouring my vegetables into the bowl, and then mix it very well. Okay, and I'm going to also add the mixture, the salad cream mixture that I did. Pour everything on top. And then I'm going to mix it very well. Please like and share this video, leave a comment for me. Yes. So let's mix everything together very well, and then the next thing is we're going to add some baked beans also to it. Yes. And so this is a very simple, tasty salad. This is it. You see, you can enjoy this with your rice, your bread, or anything you want to add salad to. Thanks so much for watching. Like and share this video. Bye bye.